Hi everybody! This video is to present the paper Online Assessments with Parametric Questions and Automatic Corrections, an improvement for MCTest using Google Forms and Sheets, whose authors are listed here, and we are all professors at the Federal University of ABC in Brazil. We'd like to mention that this work was supported by FAPESP. MCTest stands for Make and Configure Tests. It's a web platform devoted to generate and correct individualized exams automatically. This paper is divided in 5 parts as described here, but the presentation will focus on this first and the 3 last steps. Our motivation starts with the problem of generating exams for many students. We first need a database of questions, and the web platform MCTest offers many thereof, including parametric questions and random arrangement of their order, and also of the alternatives in the case of multiple choice. Hence, all the students get their exam with the same content, but the texts are unique. This helps minimize fraud. Moreover, the correction of part or all of the exam will be automatic by Google Forms and spreadsheets. MCTest has versions in English and Portuguese. This one available here. Its homepage always shows these statistics, but with updated numbers here. I'll log in to show extra exercises to be sent to my students. But the whole MCTest's method can be seen in this diagram. So right now I am a professor of the course Networks and Communications, included by the MCTest administrator in order to coordinate this course on the platform. A general user has only access to this part, but a user like me can access and modify this another part, which includes the students, questions, exams, and so on. With a data bank of questions, for my classes, I can create activities, which in MCTest have the general name exam. I will show my extra exercises with Criar PDF. These numbers will change from student to student, and also the order of questions and alternatives. Here's an example of the paper, but I can show one of these for you to see. This part is in LaTeX, and this one in Python with random parametric values. Now we'll talk about our contribution to information and communications technology. First, we create a Google form. Mine is already here, but you can even use the template left in our paper. This part is the multiple choice questions, and this one for the written response questions. Now, right after creating the form, you must preview it. And also fill it out at least once in order to get a submission. Already with this first response, you can create a Google spreadsheet directly linked to the form. To the exam, you copy and paste the URL whereby the students will access the form. Responses of further submissions will be stored in the spreadsheet, accessible only in your Google Drive. In the settings, you can also allow each student to submit the form just once, which will be checked by means of their institutional email. Notice that my exam includes written response questions, and one of them requires the student to upload a scanned image of a handwritten solution. Statistics about our method can be found in the experience report. At UFABC, we have the scores functions of unique variable. One of our collaborators was a professor thereof with 100 students, and due to the pandemic, he resorted to our method. Here's the link if the students accessed in order to send their answers. Notice the QR code on the right side. We came to the conclusion that online exams may have a bias in the multiple choice part, but quite probably not in the written response part. So MCTest has proved to be a bridge between professors and students for distance evaluations. It can also be a bridge between e-learning systems. In future, it can include students' access to their records and also improve security by means of the QR code, facial and digital recognition. Questions will be answered in our virtual meeting to be scheduled between the 24th and the 28th of November, and also through email. Thanks for watching. Bye.